Hi, I'm Junkyard Johnny from Junkyard Symphony, and I'm a mask artist. Well, we do lots of rhythm and ecology workshops, focusing on the 4 R's, which are reduce, reuse, recycle, and rock. We basically try to get the kids involved, participating with lots of energy and excitement, creating lots of smiles. Hopefully, we inspire them to be artists themselves. Part of it is just spreading the message of recycling, but also inspiring the kids to learn about music and the environment. Rhythm is infectious, and I want to infect people with rhythm, not COVID.